Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how you can change the theme of your Google Chrome to dark mode. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change the theme of your Google Chrome to dark mode, it's actually very easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Chrome app. And once you're on your Google Chrome, next, I want you to click this three dots at the top right corner. And then a drop-down menu will appear. So among the options on this menu, I want you to go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, next, I want you to go to the Appearance section. And here in Appearance, you can now change your theme to dark mode right here in the Mode option. Just change your mode from light to dark, and then your theme will automatically change. And in addition, you can also change the subcolor of your dark mode right here in the Theme option. Right here, you will see many subcolor options that you want to combine with your dark mode. So just experiment until you find the one that you like the most. In my case, I will just choose the first option. And then that's it, guys. It's done. Congratulations. You have now changed the theme of your Google Chrome to dark mode, just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.